All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. Abdurrahman from FXALTareeq.com. And on my chart is the Great Britain Aussie 4-hour chart, and I've just yesterday we closed the Great Britain Aussie big U-turn trade. Now, here's the details of the chart. We had a stop loss here at 2.0286 and the entry point at 2.0144. Our targets was 1.9686, which is a 2-for-1. But I continue to let this trade run to see where it would have where it had gone. Now, the interesting point about this particular trade is that it did in fact go 800 pips, and in the middle of the night, this is the retracement, so I wasn't able to capture some of those pips in the middle of the night. I had a stop loss down here. I mean, a take profit at 92.60, but it did not hit that take profit in the middle of the night and just bounced. That you can see 12 o'clock midnight. It bounced off of it and moved forward. But it is the nature of the game. Here's the good thing about it. It has a 2-for-1. We had a target here which would have given us 450 pips. We continued down yesterday and I closed the trade out. Could have kept it running, but I just decided to take some profit for the end of the month, put some money into the bank, and I can always easily get back in on this trade. But you can see we netted 700 pips off of that particular trade. So now we're in an upward move when we have a big U-turn candle that would print. I would get back in on this particular trade, but that's the legits of it. This was the initial 2-for-1, and we let it run, and it went for almost a 5-to-1. It went to 4.9-to-1 risk reward, and so I think that is a phenomenal trade. This particular trade, guys, is easy to do, and it has from my side a almost 80% win rate. I'm looking at holding at the 78%, so more close to 80% win rate. If you're looking to get in on this trade, there's a webinar for it that will be taking place on Friday, and you can get in the webinar. There's the link for the webinar. It'll also be inside the notes if you're watching this. So that'll be on Friday Eastern Standard Time. The webinar is recorded for your purposes. I invite you to attend the webinar and learn how to trade this particular trade. Almost a 5-to-1. With that said, you guys have a magnificent day on purpose, and we'll talk with you soon.